In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Notebooklm to 24 language. To begin, open Notebooklm on your computer. Once it loads, enter any notebook. You can choose an existing notebook you have already been working in, or you can open a new one if you prefer. The important thing is that you are inside a notebook, because the language setting we are looking for is accessed from the notebook interface. After you are in a notebook, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small gear icon. This is the Settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the Settings panel. If you do not see it right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough and that you are not in a pop-up view. Sometimes interface icons are easier to spot when the page is maximized. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Output Language. This controls the language Notebooklm uses when it generates responses and produces written output in the notebook. Click Output Language to open the language selection list. Now you will see a list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll if needed and select the language you want Notebooklm to use. Choose carefully, especially if you work in multiple languages, because this setting affects how results are written going forward. Once you have selected your preferred language, click Save. Saving is important because without saving, your choice may not be applied. After you click Save, the new output language should take effect for that notebook experience. If you notice that the language does not change immediately, give the page a moment. In some cases, it can help to close the Settings panel and then open it again to confirm your selection is still set correctly. From this point on, when you ask Notebooklm to summarize, explain, or draft content, it will produce that output in the language you selected. That is all you need to do to switch Notebooklm to one of the supported languages and make your results match your preference. And that is all there is to it.